Hi again, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the first video. I think I'm starting to like this. It'll be kind of fun to see how everybody handles it. So we got onto our record book materials page, and I wanted to show you where we're going from here. So when you scroll down, you want to go to record book pages. The new record sheets that were piloted are now official. This one everyone uses. This is going to talk about our club information. It's going to talk about our community service, any type of leadership that you guys have had. That's where we're going to find this particular document, excuse me. Then we're going to do one for the animal projects. Okay, so there are technically two. However, they do ask some of the same questions, but they are two different forms. Okay, so let me show you where they are, and then, like I said, I'm going to finish up my piece, and I'm going to let Abigail do the rest. So just so you can see, I'm going to hit PDF on the yearly record, and you should have something that looks like this. Yearly 4-H member record. This talks about you. Okay. Again, when we get back to meeting in public, I will hopefully be able to get up to the county office and make copies of this for you. You'll fill in your name, your age as of January 1st. Okay. So if your birthday's on January 2nd and you turn 10, you're still 9, if that makes any sense. In 4-H years, you're still 9. Okay, so Abigail is 13. She turned 13 on March 9th, but as of January 1st, she's still considered 12. Okay, so make sure when you're doing that, be cognizant. I don't think I have anybody who was born on January 1st, so you should all be all set with that. The program year is 2019-2020. And then how many years in 4-H? If this is your first year, it's 1. If this is your 10th year, I'm not sure if Olivia's at 10 yet, but if this is your 10th year, then it's 10. And then she'll talk about the club meetings. She'll talk about how many meetings were held and attended. She will talk about goals. And this is where you can see all your club information. So normally for a first year 4-H'er, I like to see just 4-H participation. So you might want to check off club participation, which just means getting to know your club, getting to know some rabbit stuff, doing some kind of community service. It doesn't have to be elaborate. When you're writing your goals, again, if you want to type on the document, you can. If you have that capability, if you like to print it out and you write it, that's fine too. Neatness does count, so just keep that in mind. Scrolling down the page a little bit, talks about leadership. So if you have a leadership position in the club, then public speaking, if they've done that. The financial summary is actually going to be a snapshot taken from your rabbit project. Okay, so don't panic about that. Abigail will go into it more when we get to that point. I'm going to find my bar to scroll down with. Again, community service, any type of competitions, those are 4-H's competitions. One thing about community service, you can do it for your school. So if you do it for your school, that's fine. Add that in there too. So that's what your record book looks like just for your club year. Okay. Now your animal project one is a little bit different. And I see myself in pictures. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. One form for all animal projects, one sheet per species. So if I have folks out there who are doing guinea pigs and rabbits, one sheet for the guinea pig, one sheet for the rabbit. Okay. I don't think I have anybody out there doing that. I don't even think Abigail's doing that, even though we have the guinea pigs. So if that does come up, just make sure you have one for not one for Abigail. Sorry, one for rabbits, one for guinea pigs. For some reason, apparently I'm very long-winded, as you all know, and I've gotten to this point of the project. So I have 21 seconds left. Again, I'm going to stop the video here. I will download it, upload it to YouTube, and I will continue on with the animal project record.